1. 1965 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $16,000, located London, Kentucky. This powerful 1965 Chevrolet Nova is a serious drag racing machine built for high-performance competition and aggressive quarter-mile action. Finished in a striking blue exterior with a black interior, this race-prepared Nova combines lightweight classic Chevrolet styling with a professionally built high-horsepower drivetrain. Under the hood sits an impressive 408 small block engine featuring a 4-bolt main block, Eagle performance rods rated for extreme horsepower, Eagle crankshaft, solid roller lift camshaft, and roller rocker setup designed for maximum power delivery and durability at high RPM. The drivetrain is paired with a TH400 automatic transmission equipped with a reverse valve body for precise race shifting performance. Additional drag racing upgrades include a 5.14 geared 12-bolt rear end for explosive acceleration off the starting line. The current engine has only a handful of passes since completion and remains fresh and race-ready. This Nova has been garage kept for many years and carefully maintained by the owner. Although the car is not street legal and does not include a title, it does have a VIN and bill of sale available for serious racing enthusiasts seeking a competitive classic drag car. 2. 1980 Chevrolet Malibu Classic 2-door. Price, $24,550, located Battle Creek, Michigan. This sharp 1980 Chevrolet Malibu Classic 2-door is a unique custom street machine that combines classic 80s styling with upgraded performance components and eye-catching hot rod personality. Finished in a sleek silver exterior with a black interior, this Malibu delivers a clean, aggressive appearance that stands out both on the street and at local car shows. The body presents very well with solid lines, smooth paint, and a muscular stance that perfectly complements the classic Chevrolet design. Under the hood, the vehicle has received several recent upgrades including a new carburetor, improved exhaust system, upgraded torque converter, and fresh tires that enhance both performance and drivability. The automatic transmission shifts smoothly and the car provides comfortable cruising capability while still maintaining strong street performance. Inside, the black interior offers a sporty atmosphere with classic muscle car character and clean presentation throughout the cabin. This Malibu has a clean title and remains in excellent mechanical condition with no significant known issues. It is an ideal choice for enthusiasts searching for a dependable classic Chevrolet with custom touches, upgraded components, and strong visual appeal. 3. 1979 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LS Coupe. Price, $8,500, located Sheboygan, Wisconsin. This aggressive 1979 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LS Coupe is a solid hot rod platform that combines classic late 70s muscle car styling with drag racing attitude and dependable small block Chevrolet performance. Finished in a matte black exterior, this Monte Carlo immediately grabs attention with its intimidating appearance and classic American street machine presence. The body is reported to be in excellent condition with a strong rust-free frame that provides a solid foundation for future performance upgrades or continued drag racing use. Power comes from a healthy Chevrolet 305 small block engine that runs strong and delivers dependable performance both on the street and at the track. The vehicle is currently configured for drag racing while still maintaining drivability for cruising and local events. Inside, the cabin remains simple and functional while preserving the aggressive muscle car atmosphere expected from a classic Monte Carlo build. The car drives well, turns heads everywhere it goes, and offers excellent potential for anyone searching for an affordable hot rod project or ready to enjoy street and strip machine with classic Chevrolet styling and strong custom personality. 4. 1970 Dodge Dart Race Car. Price, $25,000, located Blackwell, Missouri. This professionally built 1970 Dodge Dart race car is an extremely serious drag racing machine designed for high-performance competition and consistent track results. Built with quality performance parts throughout, this classic Dodge features a powerful 412 cubic inch small block engine constructed by Dan Smith Racing Engines and paired with a 727 automatic transmission equipped with a reverse manual valve body and trans brake for maximum drag strip performance. The drivetrain also includes an 8-inch converter, strange Dana's 60 rear end with 4.10 Pro gears, and spool setup designed for strong launches and reliable durability under hard racing conditions. Additional upgrades include RMS Alter Cation K-frame suspension, tubular front suspension, rack and pinion steering, Viking adjustable coilovers, and 4-wheel disc brakes for improved handling and stopping capability. The car also features MSD ignition, fiberglass fenders and doors, Lexan windows, lightweight weld wheels, and Hoosier racing slicks. This Dart has recorded impressive track times and includes over $40,000 in performance upgrades, making it an outstanding opportunity for serious drag racing enthusiasts. 5. 1972 Chevrolet Vega Race Car. Price, $23,000, located Columbus, Ohio. This wild 1972 Chevrolet Vega race car is a fully built drag racing machine designed for serious performance and ready to head directly to the track. Finished in a bright green exterior with a black interior, this custom Vega features an aggressive race car appearance combined with a professionally prepared tube chassis setup for lightweight high-speed performance. Under the hood sits a massive 468 big block Chevrolet engine delivering incredible horsepower and brutal acceleration perfect for drag strip competition. The drivetrain includes race-focused upgrades such as a two-step launch control system, line lock setup, and four-wheel disc brakes that improve control and stopping capability during high-speed racing. The lightweight chassis construction and dedicated racing components make this Vega extremely competitive while maintaining classic 70s compact muscle car styling. Included with the vehicle is a 25-foot enclosed trailer in very nice condition, making transportation to race events simple and convenient. This Chevrolet Vega race car is an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts searching for a complete turnkey racing package with serious power, strong performance potential, and unmistakable drag racing attitude. 6. 1972 Monza Drag Car. Price, $26,000, located Murfreesboro, Tennessee. This professionally built 1972 Monza drag car is a serious lightweight race machine engineered for outstanding drag strip performance and consistent competition results. Featuring a square tube chassis with ladder bar rear suspension and strut front suspension, this Monza has received extensive recent upgrades and remains fully prepared for immediate racing action. Power comes from a highly detailed 352 cubic inch disc-stroke GM engine equipped with a GM Performance crankshaft, Bill Miller aluminum rods, JE high dome pistons, and SP Carbs carburetor producing approximately 640 horsepower. The drivetrain is paired with a freshly built Powerglide transmission featuring Pro Brake, FTI internals, and a high-performance converter. Additional upgrades include fabricated headers, Dana 60 rear end with 5.38 gears, new AFCO shocks, wheelie bars, and fresh Hoosier slicks mounted on billet specialties wheels. Professionally painted by Taylor Colors and tuned by Titec Performance, this Monza offers exceptional craftsmanship and proven race engineering. Weighing approximately 2,200 pounds with driver, this drag car is ideal for multiple racing classes and provides outstanding performance potential for serious racing enthusiasts. 7. 1963 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova Hardtop. Price, $37,985, located Louisville, Kentucky. This beautifully restored 1963 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova Hardtop is an outstanding custom street and strip machine built with exceptional attention to detail and serious V8 performance upgrades. Finished in a sleek black exterior with a matching black interior, this Nova delivers an aggressive muscle car appearance combined with modern performance engineering throughout the entire build. Power comes from a fresh 383-stroker engine producing approximately 500 horsepower while still running safely on premium pump fuel. The engine features aluminum heads, stainless headers, hydraulic roller camshaft, upgraded intake system, performance carburetor, and carefully selected internal components for excellent reliability and strong acceleration. The drivetrain is paired with a racing-style shifter, line lock system, 2,800 stall converter, and 3.73 rear gears for strong street and strip capability. Additional upgrades include heavy-duty four-wheel disc brakes, adjustable coil-over rear suspension, reinforced chassis bracing, quick ratio steering, and completely rebuilt front suspension components. With only a few hundred miles since completion, this Nova remains extremely fresh and delivers an exciting driving experience with excellent craftsmanship, outstanding performance, and timeless Chevrolet muscle car styling. 8. 1985 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe. Price, $25,000, located Clyde, Ohio. This custom 1985 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 is a powerful street and strip machine featuring extensive suspension upgrades, strong big block performance, and aggressive 80s muscle car styling. Finished in a sleek black exterior with a gray interior, this Camaro delivers an intimidating appearance that perfectly matches its high-performance drivetrain and race-inspired setup. Under the hood sits a professionally built 396 Chevrolet engine board 40-over and paired with a built TH350 automatic transmission equipped with a reverse manual valve body and Hughes high-stall converter for excellent acceleration and drag strip performance. The drivetrain also includes a rear locker mini spool setup and dual 3-inch exhaust system that produces an aggressive muscle car sound. Additional performance upgrades include QA1 adjustable coilovers, complete spun chromoly tubular suspension, frame connectors, Willwood braking components, odometer gauges, and race-ready wiring with nitrous hookup capability. Inside, the cabin features a TCI shifter, custom steering column, and performance-oriented layout. This Camaro Z28 is an excellent choice for enthusiasts searching for a dependable custom muscle car with serious street performance and race-inspired engineering throughout the build. 9. 1972 Dodge Challenger Race Car. Price, $28,500, located Arcanum, Ohio. This professionally built 1972 Dodge Challenger race car is a serious drag racing machine designed for consistency, reliability, and powerful quarter-mile performance. Finished with classic Mopar muscle car styling, this Challenger is powered by a massive freshly rebuilt 511 cubic inch engine delivering exceptional horsepower and strong acceleration at every launch. The engine was recently rebuilt together with the 727 automatic transmission during the current season, ensuring dependable race-ready performance for the next owner. The drivetrain also features a trans brake with airshift system, Dana rear end, 4.56 spool gearing, and performance tires in excellent condition for maximum traction and consistent track results. This race-prepared Challenger has proven itself to be extremely reliable and repeatable at the drag strip, making it an ideal choice for competitive racers or collectors seeking a high-performance Mopar build. The car includes documented dyno information and recent time slips confirming its strong performance capabilities. Built specifically for serious racing enthusiasts, this Dodge Challenger requires nothing additional before heading directly to the track and competing at a high level. 10. 1982 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LS Coupe. Price, $15,000, located Champaign, Illinois. This aggressive 1982 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LS Coupe is a professionally built pro street race car featuring massive big block power, serious drag racing upgrades, and classic 80s muscle car styling. Finished in a tan exterior with lightweight racing components, this Monte Carlo delivers an intimidating appearance combined with strong strip performance and custom hot rod attitude. Under the hood sits a powerful 498 big block Chevrolet engine running on alcohol fuel for maximum horsepower and high-performance racing capability. The drivetrain includes a freshly built TH350 automatic transmission equipped with a transmission brake and high-stall converter for hard-launching acceleration and competitive drag strip performance. Additional upgrades include a Ford 9-inch rear end, ladder bar suspension, adjustable coilovers, Weld Alumistar wheels, fiberglass body panels, and a 6-point roll cage setup for added strength and safety during racing. The car also features oversized rear drag slicks that complete the aggressive pro street stance. Despite its race-focused setup, the vehicle still carries a clean Illinois title. This Monte Carlo is an outstanding opportunity for enthusiasts searching for a serious race-ready muscle car with strong performance potential and classic Chevrolet style. 11. 1967 Pontiac Firebird Convertible. Price, $34,900, located Walton, Kentucky. This beautiful 1967 Pontiac Firebird convertible is a classic American muscle car that perfectly combines open-top cruising enjoyment with strong V8 performance and timeless Pontiac styling. Finished in a sleek black exterior with a stunning red interior, this Firebird immediately captures attention with its aggressive appearance and elegant convertible design. Under the hood sits a powerful 400 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, delivering an exciting driving experience and authentic muscle car performance. The vehicle is also equipped with power steering and upgraded 4-wheel power disc brakes, making the car comfortable and confident to drive on modern roads. The power convertible top functions properly and allows enjoyable cruising during warm weather and weekend events. Although the current colors are not the original factory combination, the vehicle presents extremely well overall with attractive paint and strong visual appeal. The car drives smoothly, sounds excellent, and offers the perfect combination of classic muscle car performance and vintage convertible charm for collectors or enthusiasts seeking an iconic Pontiac street machine. 12. 1974 Dodge Dart GT Sedan. Price, $11,000, located Batesville, Indiana. This classic 1974 Dodge Dart GT sedan is a solid Mopar street machine that combines dependable V8 performance with old-school muscle car attitude and excellent cruising potential. Finished in a black exterior with a matching black interior, this Dodge Dart delivers a clean, aggressive appearance while maintaining the timeless styling that made 70s Mopar vehicles so popular among performance enthusiasts. Power comes from a reliable 318 V8 engine paired with a 727 automatic transmission equipped with a reverse manual valve body for stronger shifting performance and added drag racing character. The drivetrain also features a Ford 9-inch rear end with 4.10 gears, frame connectors, and traction bars that improve stability and acceleration while enhancing the overall street and strip capability of the vehicle. Although the car is not a perfect show car, it remains a strong, dependable cruiser with excellent potential for additional performance upgrades or occasional track use. The vehicle includes a clean title and presents a great opportunity for collectors or enthusiasts searching for an affordable classic Dodge muscle car with proven V8 reliability and classic Mopar personality.